Now we will derive the probability function of the bivariate normal distribution. Firstly, what is bivariate normal distribution? The bivariate normal distribution is a generalization of a normal distribution for a single variate. That means we know that in the normal distribution we use only single variable, that is, let's say x. Meaning of bi word is 2. So here in bivariate normal distribution we use two variables, let's say x and y. So now suppose that the expectation, or we can say mean of our x random variable is mu1 and the mean of y is equals to mu2. Next, variance of our random variable x is sigma 1 square and variance of our random variable y is sigma 2 square. Now to derive the bivariate normal distributions we make following three assumptions. According to our first assumption, the mean of y is equal to this. That means in the derivation we have to use the value of mean of y is equal to this. And according to our second assumption, the variance of y is this. According to third assumption, our x random variable is distributed normally with mean 0 and sigma 1 square. So by using basic three assumptions, we will derive our bivariate normal distribution, which is actually equals to the joint probability density function of our x and y random variable. That means basically we just have to calculate the joint probability density function of x and y, that is this value. Now we know that according to this formula of the probability, we can get the formula of the joint probability density function of our x and y is equals to this multiplied by this term, that is this one. That is the formula of the joint probability density function of x and y is equals to these terms. Now we have to write here value of this PDF and value of this PDF. Now we know that the PDF of our normal distribution is this, and our x belongs to normal distribution with mean 0 and variance sigma 1 square. That is, in this PDF at the place of mu, if we write 0 and at the place of sigma we write sigma 1, then we will get the PDF of our x random variable, that is this one. Now again we know that our y belongs to normal distribution with the mean this and variance this. So that means in the PDF of this normal distribution, at the place of this, that is the mu, that is mean, we write this value as like this one. That is, here we have x minus mu, here we have y minus mu, because this is the PDF of y. Now again at the place of sigma square we have to write this value, because variance of our y is this. So that means at the place of this we write here this value. Again at the place of this sigma we have to write under root of this value, because it is a value of sigma square, not sigma. So that's why we write here under root of this value, that is this one. So this is the value for our PDF, this one, and this is the value for our PDF, this one. Now we have to do some simple calculations and cuttings to get our bivariate normal distribution. So firstly we can see that after multiplying under root 2 pi with under root 2 pi we get only 2 pi, and after multiplying this term with this term we get this value. Again, since our bases are same, so we can add these powers. That means this plus this term. Here we expanded this square as like this. Now again we can multiply this term with these three terms turn by turn to get these three terms. Now we want to solve firstly these two terms, that is this term minus of this term. Firstly we take here the LCM of these two terms, then we multiply minus x square with these two terms to get this answer, and then after doing cutting we get this answer. That means now at the place of these two values we just have to write this value. So that's why we firstly we write here this value, then plus this value, then this value. Now we will take common minus 1 divided by 2, 1 minus rho square from these three terms. That means here we left with only x square divided by the sigma 1 square as like this. and here we left with this divided by this term multiply by -2 because we take 1 divided by -2 common from this term, and here we left with this divide by this value. Now we will shift origin to mu1 mu2. That means in this answer at the place of x we write x minus mu1, and at the place of y we write here y minus mu2 as like this. So this is the PDF of the bivariate normal distribution, which was actually the joint probability density function of x and y. And now we can also see that mu1, mu2, sigma 1, sigma 2 and rho r are 5 parameters. Basically firstly we make these 3 assumptions, and after that we just have to calculate the joint PDF of x and y. Then after applying this formula of the probability as like this, and then after applying that 3 assumptions on this PDF of the normal distribution, and after doing some calculation, and at last shifting origin to mu1, mu2, we get our density function of the bivariate normal distribution.